Iorana o Moenau Toʻoʻoa no Tahiti mai iau e aha te huru. Maitei, Iorana ia oe I te imhana. Hello, I'm Moenau from Poly-lingual Reo Tahiti. Today I will share with you the top 12 Tahitian adjectives we use in a Tahitian conversation. But before we dive into our lesson of the day, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the like bell below to get notifications as I will be posting a new video each week. Are you ready? Whatever. In Tahitian, we use lots of qualifying adjectives, but we do have some that we use more, very often in a conversation. I'm super excited to share that with you today. So here we go. Hey, ya maitei oe. Maitei, good. Ya maitei oe. Be good. Be well. Mea ino roa te rata ata. Ino, bad. E mea ino roa te rata ata. This guy is really bad. Yeah. Warhei te iei a. Yeah. Rhei, tall. Warhei te iei a. This fish is big. E mean ein ei roa te ie tamahine. Nein ei, small. E mean ein ei roa te ie tamahine. This girl is really small. Wa ve'avea roa vau te ie mahana. Ve'avea, hot. Wa ve'avea roa vau I te ie mahana. I am really hot today. Wa toʻetoʻe roa te ie pape. Toʻetoʻe Cold. Wa toʻetoʻe roa te ie pape. This water is really cold. Mea nehenehe roa te ie wahine. Nehenehe Beautiful. E mea nehenehe roa te ie wahine. This woman is really beautiful. Eish. E mea ohie roa I te ie hupa. Ohie. Easy. E mea ohie roa te ie hupa. This work is really easy. Yeah. Mea Fifi roa. Fifi Difficult. E mea Fifi roa. It's really difficult. Ia, wa Tahito te ie fraua. Tahito Old. Wa Tahito te ie fraua. This bread is old. E pre o api te ie. Api, new. E pre o api te ie. This car is new. Oa roa vo I te ie nei. Oa, happy. Oa roa vo I te ie nei. I am really happy right now. That's it for today, friends. I hope you guys learned a lot. If you want to learn more about the Tahitian language, the Reo Tahiti, check out our website, polylingual.com. I'll see you guys next week. Tera ia hoa herema, Māuruuru maitei te wharura a me, ia maitei o tō I te imhana. But hey, nana!